Now, we are going to study about near field communication, NFC. What is near field communication, NFC? So NFC stands for near field communication. It enables short range communication between compatible devices. So we have one device which is the transmitting device, and we have other device which is the receiving device. So one transmitting device and another receiving device is needed. Now there are many devices which use this NFC standard, and this could either be active or it could be passive in nature. So NFC devices can be either classified into passive devices or it could be active devices. Now what is passive device? What is active device? Let's come to the first one, passive NFC device. So what is passive NFC device? The first example is tags and small transmitters. So they send information to other devices without the need for a power source of their own. So they don't process any information sent, and they cannot connect to the other passive components. So these are often taking the form of signs on walls or advertisement. Now next we have something called active devices. So these are both able to send as well as receive data. So they can communicate with each other as well as with the passive devices. Example for an active NFC device is our smartphone. Card readers in the public transport, touch payment terminals, they are also good examples of this technology. So how does this NFC work? NFC work on the principle of radio waves. So this NFC is another standard for wireless data transition. Means what? Our devices must adhere to certain specification in order to communicate. So the technology is based on older technology, that is nothing but RFID. What is RFID? Radio frequency identification. So that use electromagnetic induction to transmit the information. Now, whether Wi-Fi and NFC are one and the same? Is there any difference between Bluetooth and NFC? Yes. NFC can be used to induce electric currents within passive components rather than just sending data. So their own power supply is not required by passive devices. They can be powered by the electromagnetic field produced by active NFC component. So NFC technology that is not strong enough to charge our smartphones, and the transmission frequency is 13.56 megahertz for data across NFC. So data can be either sent as 106, 212 or 424 kilobits per second. So there are three different modes of operation of NFC. The first used is peer-to-peer mode, which is used in smartphones. Second mode is read or write mode. Third mode is card emulation.